Okay, now here I am, just brushing the stones into this. I said it's United Rebels of America, or something I put together. Y'all be able to see the design here in a minute once I brush these stones away. I love my skull heads. I don't know, when it comes to rhinestones, the skulls just look so magnificent. And I might have used a little too many rhinestones, but that's okay. More is better, especially for big designs like this. I'm almost done. Just brushing in the stones. They go in ever so easily. And I like to attach my my magic flock, my sticky flock, you know, my rhinestone flock to these foam boards that you can get at anywhere pretty much. I get mine from Walmart. They're about $1.88. Or you can even get them at Dollar Tree. Find them at Dollar Tree for, you know, $1. What happened to the 99-cent center, y'all? Y'all remember the 99-cent center? Did they get bought out by Dollar Tree? I'm going to have to look that up, see what happened to them. See what happened to that chain. Now, imagine how much this shirt would cost if these were actual Swarovski crystals, y'all. These are some top grade quality Korean crystals, you know. But imagine if they were even some Lux crystals, or, you know what I mean, some of them Australian crystals. Right now, I'm just using the top grade Korean, and look how they dance. Look how they shine still. But just imagine if they were some of those shimmers that you can get, you know, from the Swarovski line. I'm gonna have to price some of those, y'all, and see how many stones is in this design, and order some stones, some Swarovskis, and do this exact same design in Swarovskis. Show y'all what the shirts look like side by side. See if there's a real big difference. Price-wise, there's a huge difference, but I wonder, you know, how it actually looks to the regular eye. It might be like the difference between 720 and 1080. You know what I'm saying? Only a few people might be able to tell the difference, but hey, I definitely would like to do that for y'all. If y'all would like to see that video, please smash that like button. You know, also leave a comment down below. Yeah, Xcellent. Man, we would love to see that design in Swarovski crystals. And then I have no choice but to, you know, make that come true. All right, let me finish brushing off these stones and on to the next step.